Welcome back. Today we have the tomatoes I planted about a week ago. The good news is they all germinated. The bad news is they're overcrowded. If you come in closer, so I'll show you. So we have full germination, and the reason we have several plant seedlings that came up here is because I put in extra seeds to make sure that they did come in. But the problem with that is that the roots are going to start to grow quickly and they will start tangling together, and that will possibly cause the seedlings to get damaged and also make it difficult for the one seedling to actually grow into a full plant. So what I'm going to do is basically make sure that there's only one per section. I'm going to pull out mostly the small ones. I'm trying to get the ones towards the middle if I can, but it's no big deal if I have to take out the plants that aren't really in the middle, if I can get the best one and leave it in there. So I'm pulling that out, I'm pulling that out. And I'm just going to pull a few more. Okay. Get that one. Okay. So now we're down to the final ones, and what I want to do is actually position them closer to the middle. So if you just pull the potting mix back a bit, you can just reposition it. That one I want to bring further this way. So I'm just repositioning it here, okay? Straightening it out. This one is close to the middle, but I can get it a little bit further. This one's in a pretty good position here. So is this one. Okay, so we have this here. What I like to do is just add a little extra potting mix, because tomatoes do not have a problem if you bury them deeper into the potting mix. That's actually helpful for them because the roots grow out the sides of them. So I'm just adding some extra potting mix here. Just using a teaspoon to do this. So we'll just do that quickly. Get this in each of the sections. Okay. Just trying to speed this process up slightly for you. And a little bit more up here. Okay. And then I'm just going to take this tool I have. You can use the back of the teaspoon, your fingers a little bit. I'm just flattening the potting mix out. Pushing it down. Okay. And sorry, I'm just going to grab some water over here and I'm just going to water it a little bit. Okay. Move this out of the way. There you have it. These are ready to grow up further. Obviously, it's too early to actually transplant them, but we will have a further video in a couple of weeks where we will transplant these into bigger containers. For now, that's all we have. If you're interested in actually seeing a video about how I started the seeds, click the link below. And if you like the video, like, subscribe. And for now, have a healthy harvest.